says, I know that we need to say Alhamdulillah after sneezing even within prayer. Suppose I am reciting tashahhud and in the middle of it, I sneezed. In this case, I say Alhamdulillah, and either I continue from where I was reciting before sneezing, or I can start over the tashahhud. What is the ruling? Please advise. The answer is Alhamdulillah. When you are reciting your tashahhud or salutation upon the Prophet ﷺ, and you happen to sneeze, just say Alhamdulillah and continue, without the need to go all over from the beginning and repeat that. Just move on and continue after saying Alhamdulillah.